Welcome back to my channel. So we are going to go through an important information that is reaching us this afternoon. You see, sometimes it's good to know what you want and stand for it. You know, COS says something. I'm gonna go through that message, and the message coming out from USB as well. Please, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up. Very, very important that you do so. So without waste much of your time, I'm going to bring to you the message from COS, and that message is not something that we are going to delay or waste much time on that. Before then, like the video. Like I said, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Biafrans, the USB is a nation with a structure. We follow protocols in the government. We recognize and respect that chain. Putting the ball on the net is the goal regardless of the angel. So that's a fallen angel, like people attacking and all that. Biafran military is strong, disciplined, and in a capable hand. COS DPM. This is what she posted. You know, as of time of recording this video, 10 hours ago. It was 9 when I started, to be honest, but now it's 10 hours already. So because I was preparing to bring this video to you, I have to engage with other things. Anyway, Biafrans, someone who claimed to get OZ from PM approached the USB advocate and foreign affairs with a purported OZ from Odogu, that PM. Our advocate told the Onuku to go to the Onuku to go and tell Odogu to call him directly with same message in 24 hours. It is almost 3 days. What you don't know, what you don't know, you know, is bigger than you. This one now, another individual among them. In the choro nọ na ọchịchị Biafra. Chai! That is from QTV. But this message, he just quotes COS, you know. And I'm okay. Let me just go back to the first post that I read, so you see what Biafra said about that. I know many of you are somehow confused about what I just said, right? Let me see if I can throw more light on that. But before that, let's go to the first message that CS posted, which I just read. I told you the one where he talked about putting ball in the net is the goal, and the government USB must respect government structure, and they cherish the structure very, very well. That is not something. It's not by church. It is by what you need to do and what government need to follow. Somebody says COS, that should be the #1 priority regardless. I mean the security and the security and to secure our people in land, that is in homeland, should be non-negotiable. #1 utmost priority. Please, COS, Biafrans, solidarity behind you. Look after our gallant men. Okay, welfare. The machine is not making some. It's not making the machine is not make sure the defense minister is at it. I think he's trying to say something about either canon under that. Ike Chukwumogan said, "Move on, my DPM. God bless you. God will guide you. God will protect you. Don't listen to the enemy. We will reach our goal. Thanks." You know, I want to see the one from Ogenkere people. I can't see anyone yet. The Biafran military you are talking about, if is not Commander Butozo and co, which other military do you have now, or are there with you over there? That is N9JERIA matter everything. N9JERIA mama is good. It's a good question, but defense ministers or defense secretaries are the one to answer that. So I'm gonna drop a pass. Why? Because not because I don't understand what he's saying, but I don't think it is in my custody to deep on that. If I Ozochukwu said, yeah, Biafran military are now in capable hand. BLA, BDL, BRF, the Deputy Prime Minister Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala will not let you people down. She is a mother that knows what is good for her children and people trust her. Shall we deliver to you? Okay, she shall deliver to you people than never before. And another person, Chukwonye, said, really, welcome development, thanks. Like I said, I'm trying to look for comment. That's why I'm still reading to see what, apart from one person that's just trying to drag her now. But let me see. Yes, Nemo, you are always on point. After they finish making noise, we will know who is commander in chief. I can see that a lot of people are really a lot of people are undesirable in nature. I don't know what you mean by undesirable, to be honest. Somebody said, Biafra, my country. That's the name here. He said, I know, but Ambazonian soldiers are doing well. With a clip of Ambazonian, they are doing well. And they don't have people who want to have access to men on ground by fire by force. Oluchi said, we agree, but you see that Ikenga Uruago distance yourself completely. You see that Ikenga Uruago distance yourself completely from him. If actually it is true that he is now in your government, this is what you hear when somebody is too desperate to lie, to drag somebody down. Do you have people actually believe that Ikenga is in government? Unbelievable. There's some things you don't need to ask anyway. Very, very funny. And to answer that question, I think there's a post here from our brother brother Marvelous Arrange. And Marvelous Arrange says something breaking, and that is why I want you to pay close attention here. Even though it may not please everybody, but truth has to be spoken. Have to bring it out the way it is. Breaking: the United States of Biafra and USB Department of Defense operate and funds a decentralized structure in 40 states respectively. We do not recruit repentant or active Nigerian armed outfit personnel such as Ebubeagu or N9JERIA or any of such groups. We are against every armed outfit sponsored by government of Nigeria operating within the territories of Biafra. Our aim and focus is to neutralize and evict the presence of every occupied armed militia, causing unrest to the good people of Biafra. Nigerian terrorist military, police, and every illegal armed personnel representing the government of Nigeria, including Fulani rag terrorists, remain banned and will continue to be hunted down and neutralized. Civilians and illegitimate government occupiers who give them cover shall be warned. USB, COS, DPM. This is warning from government and from CS. Now, some people said that COS told the Butoso to change his number. I have vowed not to mention name. Not every time. Sometimes I will mention it, but I made a reply to Remedios. In case you have not watched that, you can go to our second platform and go and watch the video. All right, I put it there because that's the way I streamed the video that he played and was trying to, mock his lineage, not me. Now, people said a lot of falsehood on air. Every day we hear stories. Like what I just showed to you now, what I just read out, that the question that Biafran is asking. You see that Ikegurago, let him not be in. Just make sure that you get yourself away from him. That's not like Ikegurago in the first place. That's number one. Number two, COS is not working with Ikegurago. Nobody in the cabinet is working with him. That I can assure you. But somebody is preaching that kind of nonsense out there to lie to Biafran that this is what is going on. But it's not what is going on. And another thing I want you to understand is that, you see, some people claimed that they are recruiting Ebubeagu. Now they have made it clear they are not. There's nothing like that. There is nothing like that. Now you may say it's a lie. It's a lie. If you have proof, bring it forward. Okay. Some said, okay, if you say that you are not working with Ebubeagu, show us evidence and proof. Where is the army? Where are you spending the money? Because some people, some army are coming out to say that they're not receiving anything. The question is, do you know that if there's some answer that you give that may affect those who started this accusation, it may affect them? I'm just saying. But if I am in position of COS, DPM, Secretary, Defense Secretary, and all that, I will come out and bring the evidence. If I want to one hand that I have been sending something to them, I have been doing this to them, as long as they're doing it, it is time for them to come out to prove to Biafrans that truly something is going on, they are doing something. Because you cannot just pretend on everything. You cannot just hide where you are pretending system and structure, and someone somewhere will be dragging you to the mud. Many Biafrans actually believe that Ogenkere is the best now because of what some army are saying. But the truth is not yet out. Like I always say, learn how to hear from the two people before you can judge. I will leave it there. Then let me go to the comments and see, because you may see comment like what I said now. Or see, okay, you said that you're not recruiting Ebubeagu, then where is your army? You're spending your money that they donated to you. Without waiting to hear that side. And USB government are trying to, pipe low to see where they're heading to. Like I said, I just wish that people in charge may come out and clear air on that with somehow the evidence that is needed. Do you understand? In the, Marvelous Arranger have a lot of Ogenkere group in his platform because he doesn't respond to them. Maybe sometimes he don't have their time. He just brings the message and ignore them. They're always there, and so that's why we need to go to the comment section to hear from Ogenkere group. I can tell you that this our brother have a lot of Ogenkere lovers on his platform. Even he's not a supporter of Ogenkere, but they always follow him. I don't know why. So who do you fund? That's the first comment I'm seeing here from this most recent replied. So who do you fund? Then Areze said, General Butoso is the superior of Commander Gentles. Go and listen to the voice record he sent to Biafrans. Okay, maybe there's a new voice record trending. I don't have access to it. Please, if you do, you can share it to me, please. Lovely, very clear. USB is all we got, and we must defend it all cost. And Blessed Boy said, we move. Mazi Kelechuku said, Mekelechuku Uche said, nothing more, nothing less. We are Biafran government setting the record straight. Alosi said, we move regardless. Samuel Mugu, Ogenkere people. Solomon Okonkwo, of course, he said, Marvelous Arenze is now commander of Ngozi Orabeze also for the brain and them on homeland. Why are you lying? He said, Buffoon will give you this Shungon boy. This is the voice of PM Samuel Ekpa, indeed, our DPM, molded PM, really. Akoko. Boy, we said, buy your madam. We sort of say, but he said, buy. But your madam have caterpillar for what exactly? It be like say you feel say na idiot full this app. So if you're not idiot, why then do you believe that she have caterpillar? Think about it. Freedom Girl said those Ebubeagu structures you yourself acclaimed madam is forming will first cons ume your family. I think you want my listen oyibo na African comment section about them. You want to say come to your family. You say comes ume family. That's not what I mean. I mean by that. He said again, delusional. That somehow USB has been liberated from the zoo. It is not just a farm of mental health illness that Orabu Fulani will cause you gullibles from. Rather, it is idiocy. Can only be matched with that of chimpanzee, gorilla, and they will see. He said BRIG will liberate USB. It's impossible. Liberate USB from what? Why don't you liberate it before declaring it? Since you know what. So why are you not going for USB? If BRGIE is to liberate USB, good and fine. Then why then declaring USB? Why don't you just go on and liberate it? Then when you defend your land, everything, you say, hello guys, today is our inauguration day and we hereby answer so name. But we need people to recognize that thing. That's why you have to declare it. Also have documents that prove that you guys have unanimously agreed to bear this name. Then even if you want to be in exile, stand on that name and start being in exile. Don't just declare and start telling us to fall back. If you are a president of any country, will you actually take people like that serious? That after declaring Biafra, after declaring their sovereignty, they want to defend. Okay? And all of a sudden, you want to fall back, and you want people to believe, to give you recognition of something that you are afraid of bearing. As I said, without the PM is arrested, without the PM is where he is today, do you guys believe that if PM is here after declaring Biafra, PM will now say, okay, let us go to bridge? So is that what you think that would have happened? Truly, is that what you think that PM would have done after declaring Biafra? PM will now announce again, we are falling back to bridge, even though you have declared Biafra. In every sense, in every honesty, is that what you think that PM would have done? I don't understand if family brain and never. Anyway, my people, I don't want the video to be too long. Just give it a thumbs up and tell me what you think on comment section here. Biafra government has distanced themselves from the issue of recruiting this, recruiting that. There's nothing like that. Yes, some questions are. So having listened to the programs of Gentle and other commanders, people saying that USB under CS is not sending anything to them. It is now time for Defense Secretary and COS to come out and tell Biafrans, is it true that you are sending something to them or not? If yes, bring evidence. And I'm not saying that this is not me questioning them, but for them to clear this mushroom talks around. If they are sending money to Butoso, for example, let them come out and say it publicly without holding anything back. Because you cannot tell me that a commander like Holy Ghost, commander like Gentle, coming out and distance themselves and deny they are not receiving anything, and through you are sending something, it is time to bring the person that you are sending it to come and clear air on that angle. That is my own stand on that. Makandi, you are supporting the rebellion, you are support. This is how to address issue. You don't just jump into something without hearing from both sides. Yes, commanders have made their claim. It is time for USB to also come out and say their own. It may not please you. Maybe it's not their intention. They are not talking. Maybe they don't like to come out publicly. But for once, do this. It is gonna help, and it's gonna help people to understand what is going on, to know where they are putting their faith, to know if you are not putting anything to them, and you have to have a different plan. Come out and make it clear to Biafrans, and give them reason why. That is what if I'm in government, that's what I think they should have done. That's my own opinion. I'm not commanding anybody. This is not me. So serious, come and give account of what I can name here. I'm saying this for the sake of those of you that are still worried, are still believing. Though if I trust Gentle, he said this, and therefore that's what it is. If I'm in the CSU, I would, to be honest with you, I would have just hands up like I said before, and happen to major in the alpha. By the time I got total for 4 years, or Kauna Kana house and Ebubeagu or that's one I'm gonna. My people, please make sure that you like the video, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.